Okay, so welcome to our new house. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a video that I'm so excited to show you. Doing something a bit different today, hence why I'm coming at you from my vlogging camera. I'm sharing a house tour. I very recently purchased my first home, so I want to show you guys what it looks like because it's a bit of a fixer-upper. It is in a state, it needs a lot of work, so bear that in mind. But I'm so excited to share this journey with you and show you guys every step of the process of doing up this whole house, because there's a lot to be done. So if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, because I'm coming out with a series probably starting next week all about overhauling my rooms in this house, starting with the office. So yeah, also before we jump into this video, my lovely boyfriend slash cameraman, who did a very good job of helping me this morning, I asked him if my hair and my fringe in particular looked okay. He said it did. He lied. Just so you know, I've got a gappy fringe and a very floppy messy bun for this entire video. So brace yourself for a bad hair day. Anyway, without further ado, let's jump in and I'll show you the house. Okay, so welcome to our new house. This is the house and it's a bit of a fixer-upper. It was used as kind of a staff house, kind of student house type of thing. So it was like 5 bedrooms and lots of different people lived in here. So there's graffiti on the walls and it needs work. So bear that in mind, but it's a gorgeous Victorian property from the 1870s and it's got a lot of character. So let's start the tour. We are in the hallway currently, and this hallway is really nice because it's got really gorgeous high ceilings. That's my favorite thing about this whole property, is the high ceilings and the original wood floorboards. They look so gorgeous. A couple of them need replacing, but it's nothing too much. My favorite thing about the whole hallway though is the staircase, because the actual wooden oak bit is original and it's really pretty. It does need repairing though, because someone fell over this, we think. So needs repairing. We've got someone coming in to do that next week. And there's some really nice features on the ceiling as well, where we've got the light that's coming down. So this will look really pretty once it's done and once the wallpapers come off. Let's move into the front room. So this is the front room. As you can see, it's very purple. So it does need a lick of paint, but it also needs a lot of work. It needs to be skimmed, and the floorboards in this room do need to be replaced. But I don't think that should be too difficult. It's a gorgeous room with bay windows, so loads of light comes in, so I'm really thankful about that. And it's got an original ceiling rose at the top as well, which will just need a little bit of work doing to fix it up. And yeah, we do need new mantelpieces though. I think we have 7 chimneys in this house, or 7 fireplaces, so I'm gonna try and find a few fireplaces at reclamation yards, but this one I think will go, and hopefully find something a bit more in keeping with the house. But yeah, we're going to put an opening between the front room and the dining room, not like knock the whole wall out, but put a big door in here so you can go from one to the other, which leads me to the dining room. This is the dining room and it is currently full of furniture. We were very kindly gifted loads of furniture from family members who were moving or just wanted to get rid of stuff. So we're in a really good position and we're so grateful, but it does mean this room is pretty full. So you can't see exactly what it looks like, but I mean, there's a chimney here, so there'll be a nice mantelpiece, and there's a lovely big door that goes out into the garden there, so that's great. And yeah, it needs a bit of a pick-me-up. There's graffiti on the walls, but it's okay. It's pretty good. It's not in too bad condition compared to some of the rooms. But yeah, let's go into the kitchen. This is the hallway, and we have a little under the stairs cupboard here, which is really nice for storage. And this will eventually be the kitchen. So this was a self-contained apartment. They had their kitchen through there and a little bathroom, but this room will eventually become our kitchen. It does mean that we don't have a kitchen to work with right now, so no cabinets to paint, no cooker to use. It's gonna be hard work, but it will be really, really nice in here at some point. And yeah, it's quite big. We are gonna kind of reconfigure these walls and knock through a little bit of this to make half of this into a breakfast nook and get a lot more light coming in. And then as we go through here, this little space over here is going to become kind of like a utility room, and there is a full bathroom in there, but we're going to make that into just a half bath because it's quite big and it's blocking loads of the light. Should we go into the garden?
Yeah.
Let's go. Okay, have to remove the nail from the door that's keeping the entire house together.
Keeping us safe.
Yep, very safe. Come on. There we go. So this is our garden. It's a nice little sized garden and it's really nice and private, which is going to be great for sunbathing. We've got a tiled area over there, which I think is original tile, and I think it will look really nice with a table and a barbecue on it. And we've got a little grassy area over here. It's pretty cute. I think it's going to look really nice when there's loads of plants growing in here, but this is basically the garden. There's not much to say right now because it needs a little bit of work. So shall we go look at upstairs?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, let's go. So this is the landing and the hallway upstairs, and we're really fortunate that we have so much space up here. Once again, really high ceilings, hence why it's slightly echoey. But I really, really love how airy and bright it is, and we've also got an original linen closet, which I think probably came with the house. And it needs a bit of work. It's kind of gross. We're storing paint in there at the moment, but yeah. Whew. I'm out of breath. Okay, let's move on to the bathroom. This is the bathroom space, and it needs also a lot of work, but it is working, which is nice considering we don't have a kitchen. We have a bath, a sink, a toilet, so I'm gonna do a video showing how I give this space kind of a facelift to keep us going for a little while until we can afford to redo the entire space. We do need to do something about the window though. It's pretty big and I think the neighbours can see us using the toilet, so something will be done about that, but this is the bathroom. And this will be the master bedroom. It's an exact copy of the front room downstairs, and it's pretty decent size. It's really nice and big. Unfortunately, it's got a lot of artwork on the walls. There's some crayon drawings on the wall, but it will be nice in the end. And there used to be a sink in here, so we need to get that patched up. Every single room in this house had a sink, minus the toilet room, which is very strange, but the sinks are gone. And what I really like, again, is the big bay windows. They're so pretty. So yeah, I have high hopes for this room. Let's now go to the spare bedroom. This is the spare bedroom, and this is a carbon copy of the downstairs dining room. This is also filled with loads of furniture that we've either been given or that was left in the house. We have loads of gym equipment that was left in this house, so yeah, we need to sort through this a bit, but this is a really nice space room with a big window over there. So yeah, oh, and there's a built-in wardrobe over here which needs fixing because it's missing a door, so that will be a fun DIY project as well. But yeah, so just another bedroom. Let's move on down the corridor. This is the second toilet room. I won't bore you and show you it too much because it's kind of gross and it's just a toilet. Needs some reconfiguration in there, but we just pretend it doesn't exist. And this mini corridor is actually really interesting. We have started working here because we just needed to get some stuff done and get my office started. I will put some photos and video clips of what this looked like before over me talking, so you can kind of get an idea of what it looked like. It was pretty bad. So we've started painting it, but this hallway needs a second coat of paint. We just managed to get rid of the red, but it does need some more work. This room right here is a file room. My family are using it for the time being to store some files. I don't have the key for it at the moment, so I will put some photos in of what it looked like. It was kind of a communal kitchen, so it needs some work done in there as well, and it's a weird Cheeto orange colour. Kind of like the colour my legs go when I try and fake tan. So it needs painting, but that will be done at some point. And this is the office. I'm gonna show you the video and the photos of what it looked like. It's halfway through being done right now, so it's looking a lot better. I am filming a whole series showing you guys how I'm doing up this house, and we have started on the office. So you'll probably see the first one of those videos next week or the week after. But yeah, it's looking a lot better already. I can't believe how much work we've done, and I think we did a good job, didn't we?
Yeah.
We did. And that is the house in its most raw state, kind of empty-ish house tour. So I cannot wait to show you guys how this progresses. I'm really excited. I'm starting a series called Home Renovation DIY-ery. So definitely stay tuned for that. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video and coming on this tour with us, and hope you enjoyed it. I will see you in the next one. Bye. So that's everything for today's video. I'm really excited to get started on this house. I hope you guys are excited to watch these videos too. I cannot wait to show them to you. I hope you have a lovely week, and I'll see you next time. Bye.